Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Ace Cool vacuum cleaner. It's cordless, it can do regular dry vacuuming or wet. They were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make this video showing it to you. So let's unbox it, put it together, and test it out. Here's what we get when we first open the box. We have the battery, which is detachable. This is a 2600 milliamp hour battery. See at the bottom we also have a charge port. We have the charger here. We have some kind of a cleaning tool looking thing. We have a filter with a brush, an Allen wrench or hex key if you will, and some kind of plastic device that I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to figure it out as we go. As we go a layer down, it has a charging station. How cool is that? I know it's a charging station because it says charging station right there. So really cool, a little place to put the vacuum when not in use, and it looks like that has a plug-in behind it. Looks like we got the handle here. If I'm not mistaken, that's a little squirt button. And then we have a power button and Eco or Max. Also, it says it has 30 minutes of runtime on a fully charged battery. We have a roller. We have a water or solution tank. Did I mention it came with instructions? Comes with instructions. Now as we look at the vacuum itself, we have a little display screen here. We have a volume button of some sort. Another container. And look at the roller that comes installed with it. That's a fluffy guy there. On the back side we got these cute little wheels on it. Little hand grab there. See how we put this thing together. Step 1. Insert handle until you hear a click. I heard a click. It's installed. Step 2. Insert the water tank until you hear a click. Click. Step 3. Insert the battery until you hear a click. I might have missed the click, but it's there. Looking back at the charging station, this other plastic piece we saw in the beginning, it's called the drying tray. Goes right there. You have 2 charging options. You can use the charging station and plug the power adapter into the back, or you can remove the battery from the vacuum and plug it into that port I showed you at the beginning. We're going to need to charge it before we can use it, but first I wanted to show you where all the dirty stuff goes. Push this tab down, bam. Here's your tank to dump. It also has a filter already installed. Now check out that roller. If we want to change it, lift this tab. Then give it a little twist. Now give it a pull. Again, easier with 2 hands. You see, it pulls right out the side. To put this one in, you do the opposite. Done. As we bury the lead, this button is for self-cleaning. When you put the vacuum on the charging station, you hit the self-cleaning button. It'll go through a whole cycle to clean the thing up. We'll test that at the end. Want to make sure we get it fully charged before the first use? Just drop it on the charging station.
Charging start.
Ooh, it even tells us. Got these lights telling us it's charging. We also have this indicator on the front. Drying tray. When it's fully charged, everything goes off. Time to test. I'll be jealous of that carpet now.
Charging. Eco mode. Max mode.
I got a nice little swivel action going. Do a little dance. Doing my best Mrs. Doubtfire impersonation. Excuse my mess, I own way too much stuff. This thing is really quiet, by the way. I had to get out my decibel meter just to show you how quiet this is. We'll compare it to another one real quick. But if I stop talking for a second... The room is 33, let's say, with just a fan and computer going. Let's turn this guy on high and see what it goes to. So running, we're anywhere from 77 to 79. Now here's another just standard upright vacuum. The Ace Cool is considerably quieter than a standard vacuum, and I just weighed it, it's 10 pounds. Notice our screen even shows how long we've been using it. Let's change out the rollers and put some solution in this thing and try it on a hardwood floor. Switched out the brush there. I have this Shaw hard surface flooring cleaner. Some cleaner in the tank here. Now we just need to push it back in. It says it takes a few seconds to prime the pump the first time you push the button, but we'll see how it goes. Hit the juice button. Oh, I see the juice.
Powered off.
Look how shiny that floor is now. It's glistening. And all that, we barely used any of our fluid. Look at all that dog hair. Man, them dirty dogs. And there's the water that came out of that wood floor. Yuck. Probably don't want to drink that. Great timing with the dogs barking. Let's put it back on the charge station.
Charging. Restart self-cleaning. And make sure clean water tank is full and dirty water tank is empty.
Self-cleaning.
Start self-cleaning.
Takes one minute. Holy crap, look at that thing go.
Type self-cleaning.
Well, there you go. Even the brush looks cleaner. We got more dirty water in the tank down there. Dog hair's all gone. There it is, guys. The Ace Cool wet dry vacuum. You know, as a mop for hardwood floors, that was pretty cool. I really like it for that purpose. Thanks for watching.